everyone, this is Zelda from TandZRVLife. Tony is outside just relaxing. Amaya's in the back laying down sleeping, and Michael is laying right next to her. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, well, I just want to give you, this is my keto update today. It's Wednesday, and I don't know what date it is, but anyway, I have lost 15.6 pounds, and I'm going to put it right here, 15.6 pounds, and it's been since the 22nd or 23rd of August, and I'm doing keto my way. Before I was very strict, you saw how very strict I was, but right now I'm a little bit more relaxed. My carbs are anywhere between 20 and 30, I should say, because sometimes I go about 25 to 30, and it really depends on the day. And when I eat more fat, I'm more satisfied. I use Isopure whey protein just to give me a little bit of I gotta put my glasses on because I feel blind without them. I use Isopure protein, the strawberries and cream, and I like that because it makes me feel just full. I add a little bit more water to mine, and that way I have more liquid in. I have been eating, I've cut sugar out completely, and I know no bread, but I did have, actually, no, let me take that back. I had a half slice of raisin bread because I wanted something sweet. I had nothing in the house. I had no fruit, and I will get a few grapes and things like that, but I don't add extra. I don't overdo it. So it's been working for me. 15.6. I feel it. I feel it in my gut. I feel it in my face. And my clothes are looser, my dresses are a little bit looser, and I feel really good. Today, as far as intermittent fasting, my fasting is usually done when I'm sleeping, and nobody says that your intermittent fasting has to be when you're awake. It just has to be periods where you're not eating all the time. And with keto, you know that you don't feel hungry all the time once you get past the cravings. I'm still having a little bit of my sweet cravings, so that's why if I add my grapes in, I will count them out and I will put them in my MyFitnessPal, and I am accountable to myself. If I eat it, I eat it. I'm not going to beat myself up about anything. And as far as what I used to tell you guys, life is too short to eat yucky foods. I don't eat yucky foods. And let me see if I remember my 5-finger. I used to do a 5-finger something. I gotta look that up. But I remember, I have to look it up. I don't remember. I'm gonna go back to my own video and find out what I said, but I think I'm still keeping track of it. When my carbs, I keep them below 20 to 25 grams per day, no more than 5 to 7 grams of carbs in a meal. I drink water. I eat when I'm hungry. Oh, I know. I eat when I'm hungry. I stop when I'm satisfied. No, I don't remember. I don't remember. But anyway, I'm doing keto my way, and it's working for me. And if there's anyone out there that's interested in doing keto and you're seeing a lot of different ways of doing it, just do what works for you. The biggest thing is keeping your carb count lower and your fat content a little bit higher and your protein content moderate. I set on my MyFitnessPal 5 to 10% for my carbs, and my fats are 70 to 75%, and the protein is 25 to 30. It just depends on where I set the carbs, but I keep my proteins moderate. Proteins are good for me because I've had bariatric surgery probably about 15 years ago, maybe a little bit more than that, and I slowly gained back the weight. But I am getting close to Wonderland again, and I am very excited about that. So if you have any other questions, let me know. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I am looking forward to all those new people that are coming in. Those that have been with us for a long time, thank you, thank you, thank you. Tony says thank you. Mike says thank you. Amaya says thank you. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.